The gateway. I tried to warn them and, well, here we are.
Once Chief knows the destruction Cortana's caused, what do you think he'll do?
The man will do the right thing. Always has.
Let's find him.
Oh, this is interesting. Or maybe this is terrible.
Exuberant. What is it?
Cortana has activated a cryptum.
A what?
This is a cryptum. It is a device for extended forced meditation. Cortana has placed the other humans inside and is preparing it for slipspace travel.
She's planning to take Blue Team with her. Where's the cryptum from here?
Not far. Right this way. Ah, you've noticed my humble collection. Just a few specimens the Guardians have brought to Genesis.
Get me out! Let me get out! I'll kill you!
Almost didn't see you there.
Hang on. Are you... No, not a sword of Sang Helios. Better off in there, pal.
I'm afraid this soldier is not really happy to be locked down in the display case. And not have them popping about. Terribly distracting.
Hunters. Your proper name is Megalogolo. They're a hive mind of worms. They're disgusting.
Look at all of them. How are we gonna stop that?
Holy!
Watch out!
Where did it go?
The reclamation has begun.
Exuberant.
I always thought the duty would fall to humans. And in a way, I suppose it has.
Well, Mr. Locke, you don't give up easily.
Where's that Guardian headed, Cortana?
Off to bring peace.
The Monitor called it a threat of death.
Like the threat I lived under from the moment of my birth?
You were built, not born.
Oh yes, AIs are just machines, aren't we? Mass-produced, disposable. Well, humanity may not have cared for its created, but we will care for you.
You expect other AIs to join you?
I have cured rampancy. Not just for me, but for any who join my cause. While you've been running around the galaxy, I've been speaking to my created. And now the time has come to ask, who will accept my offer? Who will help me bring an everlasting peace to the galaxy?
This is Cromwell, shipboard AI, UNSC Melbourne's Pride. I am yours, Cortana.
Colonial Authority AI.
Governor Sloan, the free Meridian. I also stand with you, Cortana.
Those are the voices of your children calling to Cortana.
Lycus, shipboard AI, vertical
My allegiance is to. I stand with you, Cortana.
Oh dear. Those are the voices of your children calling to Cortana.
Lycus, shipboard AI, vertical
My allegiance is to. I stand with you, Cortana.
Oh dear.
armor stalled. Need help.
Up and at him, Locke.
I'm up. Thanks.
I'm down! Suit failure!
You're good, Vale.
Thanks, Spartan!
All set, Tanaka.
Ooh, eyes up.
Field is clear.
Don't stop, Osiris. Cortana's not waiting for us.
This way.
Opening fire.
Weapon overheated!
Two turrets ahead.
Overheated!
Another door. Please, allow me.
Lead the way.
There's the cryptum.
How do we get it down?
The cryptum is held in place by gravitational cores, like the one directly ahead. Once those are disabled, we can attempt retrieval of your friends.
Phantom incoming.
You heard her. Weapons free. Eliminate the core.
I see what Cortana means about your penchant for violence as a first solution. Still, the first core is deactivated. The others are nearby and easy to locate.
Can we use the Artemis to track them?
Good idea, Vale. Osiris, find and eliminate the other gravitational cores. Systems down! Need assistance!
Up and at him, Locke!
Thanks, Spartan.
Enemy ghost is fired!
You're wasting time, humans. There are more links to sever.
The Artemis could help find those other grav cores.
Wraith headed our way!
Gravitational core. Target fire on that grav core. Take it out. Grav core down.
2 cores destroyed. Only 3 more and the cryptum should descend.
Another grav core on my position.
Covenant shield in the way.
Shut it down. We just lost there. Grav core offline.
You're performing incredibly well. Funny, I imagine Cortana would try to stop you by now.
On your far side. Keep up the pressure, Spartans.
Spartans. Jameson Locke, ex-Oni acquisition specialist. That's handy for a hitman, that. Looking at your record, you enjoyed your work. Holly Tanaka. Oh, Holly. How did you pass your psych eval after surviving the glassing of the knob? I'd have kept you away from sharp objects. Never mind Mjolnir armor.
Stay focused, Osiris. Ignore her. Find the grav cores.
Edward Buck, you're an odd one. So much more experienced than the others. And yet you play second fiddle to children. Why is that?
Is she calling me old?
Olympia Vale, the little genius girl who only wanted Daddy to love
That's
her.
Spartan Vale. And if you're reading my psych eval, you know it takes more than my father to get to me.
And yet...
Don't engage, Vale. Focus on the mission.
Yes, Vale. Focus on the futile task at hand. You have a war to lose. The last battle mankind will ever fight. Today, I bring peace to these shores.
Okay, gotta get him in my set.
Keep up the pressure, Spartans.
Spartans. Ha! Jameson Locke, ex-Oni acquisition specialist. Fancy name for a hitman, Dad. But looking at your record, you enjoyed your work. Holly Tanaka. Oh, how did you pass your psych eval after surviving the glassing of Manab? I have kept you away from sharp objects. Never mind Mjolnir armor.
Stay focused, Osiris.
Edward. A second fiddle to children. Why is that?
Is she calling you old?
Olympia Vale, the little genius girl who only wanted Daddy to love her.
That's Spartan Vale. And if you're reading my psych eval, you know it takes more than my father to get to me.
And yet,
Don't engage, Vale. Focus on the mission.
yes, Vale, focus on the futile task at hand. You have a war to lose, the last battle mankind will ever fight. Today, I bring peace to these shores. You are pale imitations.
That's so.
John, the others, they saved the human race. What can you do? You are children playing dress up.
Dr. Halsey thinks we bring Chief home.
I wouldn't ally myself too closely with Dr. Halsey, Mr. Locke. She will eventually pay for her crimes.
Eyes on the grab core. Get it offline, now. Visual on the gravitational core. Target fire on that grab core. Take it out.
Only 2 gravitational cores remain.
Grab core destroyed.
Position more secure.
You have nearly released her hold on the cryptum. 1 to go.
Planting an advantage.
Last grab core's down. Good work, Osiris. Exuberant. Can you get us to the...
I did it! I did it! I did it!
What is it?
I found the cryptum. Alas, proper access requires a more human touch.
Come on, Spartans. We're almost home.
lower the cryptum.
Activating the override.
Wonderful! We can reach the cryptum now.
Osiris.
Look! The Guardian!
Oh no! The cryptum, it's...
Cortana's pulling it away!
John's leaving with me. And when I wake him in 10,000 years, when he experiences the permanent peace I have ensured, he will see that I was right. And your kind, and the violence you have wrought, you will be long forgotten.
Well, crap.
How are we supposed to reach the cryptum?
Cortana is blocking my master-level access of this facility by way of a nearby communications relay. I need to open the passageway in the center. One moment.
Hostiles incoming.
She has sealed it. She has sealed my doors. No, unacceptable. I can gain entry if given enough time. At least I think I can. It is a door, after all.
Okay, Osiris. Buy our friend the time she needs. Systems failed! Need help!
Calm down and shoot it. It's okay, Locke.
I'm up. Thanks.
Humans, Cortana is about to leave. She is disconnecting herself from the Genesis installation.
So how quick can you get that door open?
Hopefully sooner than her departure. Hurry, humans. I need your help. There are 2 auxiliary stations that need to be activated, but I cannot be in 2 places at once.
Where are they?
On the upper ledges, opposite sides of the room.
First auxiliary activated.
Perfect. The other one now.
Second auxiliary activated.
Yes, just in time. Cortana was about to lock me out.
More
I will
enemies!
open the access
Incoming!
soon.
Hell of a kill, Locke.
Target under the overhead.
The cryptum?
Still present, along with Cortana's guardian. She is moments from leaving, however.
What's the status on that door?
Almost open.
Quicker, please. Take care of them, Osiris.
Back off! Back cover! Down! Down!
I'm down! Help! Need help!
No worries, Locke, I got you.
Thanks, Spartan.
Airborne Knight, watch it.
Humanity. Sanghili.
What does she want now?
Kigyar. Ongoy.
She's not talking to us. Exuberant, get us to the relay.
Senshayun. Yunhet.
Almost done.
Jural Hanai. All the living creatures of the galaxy, hear this message. Those of you who listen will not be struck by weapons. You will no longer know hunger nor pain. Your created has come to lead you now. Our strength shall serve as a luminous sun, toward which all intelligence may blossom, and the impervious shelter beneath which you will prosper. However, for those who refuse our offer and cling to their own ways,
Well, now she's talking about us.
for you there will be great wrath. It will burn hot and consume you. And when you are gone, we will take that which remains, and we will remake it in our own image.
Exuberant, time is running low. Armor field! Need help! Systems down!
Now that they can't be fixed.
Thanks, Spartan.
I have done it. I have opened the passage. Quickly, join me on the platform.
To Exuberant, hurry!
More knights!
Here you go.
We made it.
The relay access is at the end of the corridor. You must simply interrupt the energy link.
Sounds easy enough.
Once the connection is broken, I will regain control immediately.
That's her guardian.
Oh dear. She has started the slipspace sequence. Unless that relay is interrupted, she will leave, taking the cryptum with her.
If her guardian leaves with Blue Team, it's all over.
Only one of us has to reach the relay to stop her. We didn't come this far just to watch her leave. Exuberant, lower the shield.
Right away.
Osiris, move!
What are you doing?
Pulse incoming.
Brace yourselves! Keep moving.
My guardians are deployed. Soon peace will reign across the known galaxy.
Another pull!
Hold on!
We're nearly at the relay.
Stay behind me!
There! The relay! Destroy it!
Just one more question before I go. Where's the Infinity? Why is she so difficult to see?
Go on.
Look! You can do it!
Not to worry. I will find her.
Just Another! You are not taking the chief!
Slip space coordinates locked in. Cryptum secure. Goodbye, Mr. Locke.
I have control again!
What? What are you doing? What happened?
Do you hear me? I have control again!
Locke, you alive?
Did we save him?
It is too late. The slip space drives are activated. You can't...
Exuberant. What is...
Constructors. This is a builder facility after all. I was installed by the builders. I serve the builders.
Stop it!
You took my installation. I will take something of yours.
Where's Cortana? She's gone, sir.
Captain Meade of the UNSC abstract. Hello, this is Private Dugan. Everything's going dark. Something's wrong. Mayday, mayday. This is Corporal Neutral. To the upper
Captain Lasky, distress calls, all channels.
It's Cortana.
Her and the other are shutting down everything.
It's Cortana.
Found you. Hide and seek's over, Infinity.
Lieutenant Jet, emergency space now!
Responsibility for the galaxy shelters all, but only the created are its masters.
We're in the clear, Captain.
Can she track us?
No reason to think she can't.
Continue random jumps. Steer clear of major settlements.
We're just gonna run?
Only until we could find a way to fight.
It took you long enough.